Okay. Just an infinite stairfall. I'm gonna do a stairfall. I can't get off. Let me go. Bitch. Whoa. Oh, there goes my arm. What the heck was that? That was an old man. There goes my foot. I want to get the old man. Just kill me. Nothing can hurt me. I'm safe. Why didn't that work? I'm safe. How come all these stairfalls are bullshit? Which one with the best rating? This one's got 5 stars. How did that not crush me? What? Whoa! Damn. Whoa. Sure, after I died, it hit me. I just want a regular old stairfall. No boosters, no nothing. Like this. Oh, there goes my son. Lift myself back up. What am I doing? I'm slowly lifting myself up. Yeah. Too bad. I'll just lie here. Oof. I'll see if my son will come over or not. Or the kid. Oh, that failed. Time to try with the minecart. I am safe. Whoa, what the fuck was that? Why the fuck did a big old meteor come down? Where's my minecart? I'm stuck, I can't move. Never mind. Okay. That didn't really help, but whatever. The combine. Oh yeah, I remember this. Whoa! Hey! Whoa, what the? Oh, he's dead. Get out of my way, bitch! Whoa! Well, there goes my heart. What the fuck? Why is there an ice cream truck? Stairfall Extreme. Oof. Oof. No, never mind. Oof. Wee.
Be good.
I will. I got stuck to the roof. Boop. And dive off. Go into the fetal position. Woo! Down my head. Then here comes the truck. Or not, I don't know. Dive off the truck. I will survive. Woo! No, not my arm. I don't need my arm. No. What about Wheelchair McGee? Get out my way, beach. Whoa. Okay, no, not my head. I don't need my arm. Just let me. Well, that didn't work. What about a helicopter? Oh, dang it, there's a roof. Maybe I'll survive in this thing. I'm gonna win. Okay, I don't need my legs. What? bullshit. What about Santa Claus? Little bitch. Oh! Let me just turn the blood settings down to 0. Yoop. There we go. I'll be this guy. No, Timmy. Are we still calling him that? Or is that thing past? Die, Timmy. I'm not responsible for this. Inch the bike forward. Wait, I can possibly reattach my hands? Hands on the handlebar. Damn. Oh, fuck. Who the hell is that? Is this a fucking home invasion? Whoa, just kidding. It's home invasion time.